We are pleased to show you the 2025 Honda HR-V. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine and comes with a continuously variable transmission. This vehicle has less than 5,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, body color door handles. Inside you'll find backup camera, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, leather-wrapped steering wheel, tinted glass, automatic air conditioning, cloth seat trim, low tire pressure warning. Indulge in luxury and make a statement wherever you go.